Hey y'all, it's your girl Jada. So I'm bringing you guys a soft glam tutorial. I did my eyebrows off camera. I did fill in my brows with the color Smoke in the Absolute Brow Pencil. And I also use Duo's Lash Glue on my eyebrows to kind of like paint them in place. And then I go in with that brow pencil from Absolute New York. And now I am painting the concealer on, and I use LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. So now I am using a brown shade from the Juvia'S Warrior palette. I can't remember the name, so I will leave that in the description box below. And now I'm using a darker shade from that palette to deepen up that crease color. And now I'm using P. Louise base. I think it's in the base color 0. I'll leave that below as well to kind of, not do a cut crease, but a soft cut crease. And now I'm taking the white shade from the Juvia'S Warrior palette, and I'm patting that on my eyelids. And y'all, this is my first voiceover, so I am a little nervous right now. I don't know if I will do this in the future, but it's a first for now. So now I went back in that darker shade, and I am putting that in my crease, and then I used a black shade from that palette to do my outer corner, just to give it like a smoky effect. And I'm going back in that white shade to kind of put back the color that I lost. And now I'm making a wing liner, and I use Sephora's matte black liner to do so. It's so ghetto. I use my mirror as a fan, but it got the job done. So as you can see, I'm just kind of like thickening that wing liner. I start off small and then just work my way to get it to my liking. And now I'm putting on my foundation from Born This Way using my Real Techniques brush. I love that brand for all of my brushes. And in that foundation, I am the color Chai. I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's CHAI. And now I'm using concealer again in the shade Fawn, I believe, from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then I went in with a little bit of that P. Louise base to brighten my eye and to also clean up my wing. And I am using Juvia'S foundation sticks to contour. I heard that they don't sell the foundation sticks anymore in Ulta. I'm not sure how true that is, but I read that somewhere. But if not, you can still purchase them online. And right now I'm just blending out that concealer for my highlight. And I messed up a little bit, so I'm going back in to fix my wing. And now I'm adding my mascara. I use Maybelline's Push Up Lash Mascara. And just contouring my nose with that same Juvia'S foundation stick and blending it out. And I blend on the side of my nose into my eyebrows. And this may not be the best contour job, but I'm still practicing my contour because I suck at it, okay? And yeah, my nose kept running from my makeup. I don't know why that happens to me, so leave a comment if I'm not the only one. And yes, that was Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. I do like to spray that in between my makeup process. I just feels like it gives an overall blended look. And the setting powder I'm using is SachaButtercup. I usually switch between three, the Anastasia one, Laura Mercier, and Sacha. And what you just saw is also my lash brand, and I'm putting on the style For Higher. And I will leave a link in the description box to purchase those lashes as well, because they are only $5. Look at that lash. I just feel like a lash will take you from a basic bitch to a bomb ass bitch, okay? Look at what that did to my look. I don't even look the same anymore. And now I'm just blending out all of that leftover powder. And I also bronze with the brown from the Juvia'S palette as well. And now I'm lining my lips with Morphe's Trendsetter brown liner. Love it. It goes on so smooth. And the color payoff is really good as well. And now I'm using the color D-tox from B.Simone's lip gloss line. And when I tell you, like, the color is so bomb and the texture is bomb and it's moisturizing, and it definitely gives you that gloss effect that you're looking for in a nude gloss. Yep, my nose running again. And I highlighted with the Juvia'S highlighting palette. I can leave that color in the description box as well. And then I'm adding the highlight that I put on my nose to the inner corner of my eye for an ultimate glow. What the was I doing right here? I guess I was feeling myself. Alright, and now for the finishing look. So this look came out so bomb. It didn't take me long to do at all. I love a soft glam look because it's so seamless. And that's all. So please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.